Have you ever heard of a black moon and wondered why it's considered such a rare celestial event? If the idea of a mysterious, darkened moon intrigues you, read on. But here's where it gets controversial. Not everyone agrees that the black moon is even worth noticing in the first place. So, what's all the fuss about? This weekend, specifically August 22nd and 23rd, an astronomical event known as a black moon will occur. You might be wondering, what exactly is this phenomenon, and does it hold any significance for skywatchers? The truth may surprise you. To demystify this cosmic curiosity, we turned to Jonathan Blazek, an astrophysicist at Northeastern University. While his insights were enlightening, they also confirmed one key takeaway. From a scientific standpoint, the black moon isn't particularly extraordinary. Let's dive into the details. First, let's address the burning question. What is a black moon, and how does it differ from other lunar phenomenon like the famous blue moon? Well, here's the thing. The term black moon isn't officially recognized in astronomy. Unlike events involving physical changes to the moon itself, such as eclipses or phases caused by its position relative to the Earth and Sun, the concept of a black moon is rooted purely in timing. Think of it this way. Our calendar months are based on the Gregorian system, which averages 30 or 31 days, with February being the exception. Meanwhile, the moon operates on its own schedule. A lunar cycle lasts approximately 29.5 days. This discrepancy means that sometimes the lunar calendar doesn't align perfectly with our monthly or seasonal divisions. Now, here's where things get interesting. A new moon occurs when the moon is positioned between the Earth and the Sun, leaving the side visible to us in complete darkness. Conversely, a full moon happens when the Earth sits directly between the Sun and Moon, illuminating the face we see fully. Normally, each month contains one new moon and one full moon, while every season has 3 of each. However, due to the slight mismatch between the length of a month and the lunar cycle, occasionally there's room for an extra occurrence. Enter the black moon. This term describes the 3rd new moon in a season that happens to have 4 new moons instead of the usual 3. For instance, this summer boasts 4 new moons, starting on June 25 and ending just before autumn begins on September 21st. The upcoming new moon on August 23rd marks the 3rd of these, qualifying it as a black moon. But why is this so rare? It boils down to simple math. Since the average lunar cycle is shorter than the typical calendar month, black moons tend to appear only once every 33 months, or roughly every 3 years. That's part of what makes them stand out, even if their appearance doesn't involve anything visually spectacular. Speaking of appearances, here's the part most people miss. During a black moon, there's literally nothing to see. Because it coincides with a new moon, the moon remains invisible to the naked eye. Unlike a blood moon, which dazzles observers with its reddish hue during a total lunar eclipse, a black moon offers no visual drama. During a blood moon, the Earth casts a shadow over the moon, allowing only filtered red light from the sun to reach it. This creates the eerie crimson glow that captures imaginations worldwide. But with a black moon, there's no alignment anomaly or colorful display, just a regular new moon happening at a statistically uncommon time. So what does this mean for stargazers? Honestly, not much. If you're hoping to catch a glimpse of something awe-inspiring, you might want to wait for the next meteor shower or planetary conjunction. Still, knowing that you're witnessing a quirk of celestial mechanics can add a layer of intrigue to your night under the stars. And this is the part that sparks debate. Should we care about events like the black moon if they lack tangible excitement? Some argue that recognizing patterns in nature, even subtle ones, deepens our connection to the universe. Others dismiss terms like black moon as mere marketing gimmicks designed to draw attention without offering real substance. Where do you stand? Is the black moon a fascinating reminder of the complexities of timekeeping? Or simply a case of overhyped terminology? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your perspective.